In this video, you'll learn how to use the Mobile Access Diagnostic tablet to perform tests on your Dormakaba BLE-enabled locks. Table of Contents. Chapter 1. Overview. Customers that purchase Dormakaba BLE-enabled locks will receive an Android tablet pre-installed with the Mobile Access Diagnostics app configured specifically for their property. The tablet is a Dormakaba device that allows the property to test, validate, and diagnose their BLE-enabled locks. The tablet can perform the following functions: validate if a lock has an active BLE board, validate if a lock is programmed with the correct BLE project ID, indicate the current battery voltage, validate the room number programmed to a lock, track the installer's progress using the dashboard feature, and keep track of tested locks by exporting a testing log report. Chapter 2. Getting started. Step 1. Power on the tablet and swipe up to arrive at the login screen. Step 2. Enter PIN 1212 and tap the checkmark button to log in. Step 3. From the home page, tap the Mobile Access Diagnostics icon to start the app. Step 4. The Choose Test screen indicates that your tablet is ready to perform diagnostics. However, a door list must be imported prior to testing the locks. The process is as follows. A. Export the door list from your Dormakaba access control software. B. Copy the door list from your computer to the tablet. And C. Import the door list into the Mobile Access Diagnostics application. If you are using Ambience or Community, continue to Chapter 3. If you are using System 6000, skip to Chapter 4. Chapter 3. Exporting the door list from Ambience or Community. Step 1. Log into your Ambience or Community software with an administrative account. Step 2. From the home page, click on the Property Builder module. Step 3. Click on the three dots to the right of your building and select Download Mobile Enabled Access Points file. The file will be saved in the Windows Downloads folder. Step 4. Connect the tablet to your computer using the supplied USB cable. The tablet will appear in Windows File Explorer as a connected device. Step 5. Copy the CSV file from your computer to the tablet in the folder named Import Door List. The door list file has successfully been copied to the tablet. Chapter 4. Exporting the door list from System 6000. System 6000 requires a special utility to export the door list. This utility can be found on the tablet and must be copied to the System 6000 server or workstation before it can be used. Step 1. Attach the tablet to your System 6000 server or workstation using the supplied USB cable. The tablet will appear in Windows File Explorer as a connected device. Step 2. From your computer, open Windows File Explorer and browse to the Export Door Tool folder on the tablet. Step 3. copy the entire Export Door Tool folder to your computer's hard drive. Step 4. Once copied, open the folder and double-click the file named doorlistexporttool.exe. Step 5. Enter an Administrative System 6000 login name and password. If you are running this utility on the System 6000 server, enter 127.0.0.1 as the gateway server IP address. If you are running this on a System 6000 workstation, enter the IP address of the actual System 6000 server. Then click OK to log in. Step 6. Once logged in, make sure that Level 1 is checked. Then click the Search button. Step 7. Click Export to CSV and specify where to save the file. The door list file has been successfully exported from the System 6000 software. Step 8. Copy the newly created file from your computer to the Import Door List folder on the tablet. The door list is ready to be imported into the Mobile Access Diagnostics app. Chapter 5. Importing the door list. Step 1. Open the Mobile Access Diagnostics application. Step 2. Tap the Settings button. Step 3. Expand the User's Settings section and tap the Modify button. Step 4. Tap the Approve button to accept the privacy policy. Step 5. Enter the first and last name of the person that will be performing the tests, and then save. Step 6. Expand the Import CSV Door File section and tap the Edit button to browse to the location of the CSV file that was copied earlier. Step 7. Tap on the CSV file to automatically import the door list into the application. A success message will confirm the import process. Tap the Dashboard button and notice how this section now displays the complete door list that was imported from the CSV file. As you begin to test your locks, this dashboard will track your progress. Chapter 6. Broadcast Test. You are now ready to begin testing your Dormakaba BLE enabled locks. The broadcast test is used to validate that the BLE antenna is responding. This test can be performed on a programmed or unprogrammed door. Step 1. Tap the Broadcast Test button. Step 2. Select the door you wish to test from the available list. Step 3. Tap the Start Test button. Step 4. Gently touch the lock reader with the tablet. Make sure you receive a yellow flashing light to confirm that the lock is awake and ready for BLE communication. Continue touching the reader with the tablet until the countdown is complete. A pass message confirms that the lock has a correctly installed BLE antenna. Step 5. Click the forward arrow to test the next lock. If a door is missing from the list, you can add it manually by selecting Add New Door and entering the door and floor name. Then tap OK. If you receive a fail message, the antenna may be incorrectly installed, defective, or missing altogether. Repeat the broadcast test a second time to confirm your results. If the fail message persists, more troubleshooting is required. Chapter 7. Exchange Test. The exchange test will validate if the lock has been programmed with the correct BLE project ID. It will also indicate the current battery voltage and validate the room number programmed to the lock. Step 1. Tap the Exchange Test button. Step 2. Tap Start Test. Step 3. Gently touch the lock reader with the tablet. Make sure you receive a yellow flashing light to confirm that the lock is awake and ready for BLE communication. Continue touching the reader with the tablet until the countdown is complete. Step 4. If successful, the app will automatically find the door number and display it on the first row. Select it from the list and tap OK to link this test to this door. Step 5. Tap Next Test to continue with the remaining doors. If a door is missing from the list, you can add it manually by selecting Add New Door and entering the door and floor name. Then tap OK. If the exchange test fails, it may be that the BLE project ID has not been programmed into the lock. Resync your maintenance unit or HH6 and reprogram the lock. Then perform the test again. If the issue persists, perform a broadcast test to confirm that the BLE board is responding. If both tests fail, more troubleshooting is required. Chapter 8. Dashboard and exporting the testing report. The dashboard section is used to view a summary of all your tests. You can see exactly how many doors have tested successfully and those that have failed. Once testing is complete, click on the Export button to create a testing report for your records. Go to the Settings section to see where the file was saved. Connect the tablet to a computer to transfer the file. Chapter 9. Summary. In this video, we saw how to use the Mobile Access Diagnostics tablet to perform 2 diagnostic tests on your Dormakaba BLE-enabled locks. We used the broadcast test to validate that the BLE antennas were responding. And we used the exchange test to validate that the locks were programmed correctly. More information is available in PDF format in the User Manuals folder on the tablet. For customer service, contact Dormakaba or visit us online at dormakaba.com.